I put it and have like piranha. It's covered.
Okay, so today we're gonna be opening Hot Wheels. Hold on, let me show it to them. Piranha.
And then with this one.
Oh, and it comes with a free crushable card.
And here we got a card.
And these are all the collectibles. Snakebite, Roger Dodger, Corvetti, Demo Derby. We got Piranha, which is right here. Scorpedo, Invader, and Torque Terror.
Yeah.
And we also, oh, okay, and it says here, Piranha, truck type creature. Strength, he's a razor sharp. And crash attack, his feeding frenzy. And then we also have a Scorpedo, right? Let me see. Let me show it to the fans. Here's a Scorpedo. And he also comes with a crash car.
And him.
And let's see. His name is Scorpedo. His truck type is creature. His strength is colossal claws. And his crash attack is squeeze and sting. All right, so which one are we gonna open first? This one? Let me start it for you. Hold on, let me start it for you.
Do it by myself.
You wanna do it by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, right here, there.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Look at this red one. Look at the red one.
And the crash car.
Yeah. And it's my look.
Wow. Oh, so it's rubber. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Let me see here. Ah. So that's what he looks like.
Yeah.
Wow, pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right, let's open Piranha.
Yeah. Then you got the bouncy car.
Yeah.
Let's open it up.
Mm-hmm.
Here's the one of a double two wages.
All right, that's Piranha. Hold on, let's show it to the fans. He does look pretty scary. He looks like almost like an anglerfish.
Yeah.
All right, so those are the two new Hot Wheels to your collection, huh, Kawan?
Yeah.
Who do you think it wins?
Take one.
Wow! And off he goes, Piranha. All right, boys and girls, thanks for watching.
Get him.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.